Welcome to the next video in the series of videos for DevOps. In this video, we'll talk about running scripts from a command line. As you know, scripts can be run from Lattix scripts can be run from Lattix Architect in the user interface, and sometimes that user interface even produces a dialog box for you to fill in. It turns out that those same scripts, even though they are interactive, can be run in command line mode, and you can specify arguments just the way you specify your options in the dialog. So what I'll do is show you how to take a script and how to run a script. And in Lattix, scripts can be used not just to query the project, but to change the project as well. And so I'll show you how to change the project. So let's take an existing project. I'll make a copy of that project first of all. So what I've done is to take an existing project and made a copy of that project. Now I'll run a script on it. So what this script does is we're running the command called ldc script on the project file, which is the first argument, and then we are running a script which says combine source and header files. And then it says now that the project is changed, we specify an argument called -save. If you don't specify save, then the script will do its thing, it'll change the project, but then if you don't save it, your changes will be lost. So we must specify save if you have changed the project. And what this script does is for C++ files, it's very useful. It takes source files and header files and combines them together. So let's just take a look at what that script did. So let's open that file. It was x.ldz file. There it is. We have now opened it. And let's take a look at it. And you can see there are things which are tagged. And if I go inside, it'll become clear what is tagged. So let's go in here. Let's go there. And now you'll see that all these tagged subsystems have been created. So if I open these, you'll see setPoint_c.cpp and setPoint_c.h. So for every CPP file, it found its corresponding header file if it existed, and then created a new subsystem and grouped them together. So this is a very useful way for you to be able to combine source and header files together. And then it tagged them so you can actually see where all the changes took place. And if you were to go back to our old project, then you would see that those changes don't exist. And that the source files and the header files are all lumped together. Or they could be actually far apart. The script will actually find it.